Hello, my SEOs. My name is Kiko, and today I want to share with you some more ideas I have about how you can use organic marketing. It doesn't matter if you get one story or two, you probably won't like your neighbors anyway. Today we talk about real estate again, here on The Sauce, brought to you by PosiRank.com. So when it comes to real estate, 90% of it is just marketing yourself, and that can present a problem if you're an introvert. However, I'm assuming you aren't one since you're in sales. You aren't selling the house. You are selling yourself. Thus the pictures of you on the billboard, not the house. Honestly, I know why you do that, but it still is weird to me. So how do you sell yourself better than the other agents? Well, you make yourself more visible. You could buy more billboards, put out ads in the paper, hand out flyers, or stick your face on a bus. But all of those things cost money. You know what doesn't cost you money though? The time you already have. If you spend most of your days hunting, prospecting, fielding calls, talking to people, reading marketing reports, understanding contracts, holding open houses, and driving around, then you have time and knowledge to sell for free. All of those things can be talked about, shared, gone over, and written about. I have already talked about the importance of video and social platforms, but you're probably wondering which ones are the best. And the truth is, that's depending on your market. Some like Facebook or Instagram, and others just use Google searches. It's all about your market and demographic. Give readers and watchers the inside scoop of what your day, week, or monthly dealings are in real estate. You can also talk with and explain the process of each entity involved with the sale or purchase of a house. The world isn't just your city or town. After 2020, people are looking to get out and live in other places. So why not show them virtually? Why not give them the chance to see you and what you have to offer, even if it's in another state or on their phone? Meet with lenders, talk to banks, and give buyers the help they need and don't understand. Most people don't know the loan process, and it's a big shock when they get to it. It may even cause some of them to back out. And having that happen after months of working with someone is really horrible. So do the most you can to keep that from happening. In any event, your content is king, and you have more than you think available to you. You have you, your job, the people you work with, and the houses you're selling. All of those things, when used properly, can get you ahead of the competition, in front of potential clients, and higher in search engines. And at the closing table, which is right next to the Keurig where you can get that coffee. And if you'd like more answers about creating effective content and building your site's reputation, check out PosiRank.com and see what we can do for you by clicking the link down below.